Richard.
Mr. Richard, what do you think about Tropical Storm Melissa?
You know, tropical storm Melissa kind of have everybody on edge in all honesty. And really and truly, me don't want it come if it just disappear and go on about it business. Because we just get a storm the other day. What more we can take right now?
Are you prepared?
Prepared, yes, because me have my portable solar station, can plug in everything same way. You don't know things set already, but I know something we want to come either which way, whether we prepared or not, you know. But I just something we have to deal with it as long as it come, right?
That's true. You have anything you like to say to anybody right now if you say prepare and be careful?
Man, no go drown, man, and nobody look up else, man.
Yeah, me G, what do you think about the storm?
Boy, if you can't come, I already must come now.
Yeah. But you're prepared though?
Yeah, we have to prepare for meeting.
So you buy up your food?
Not yet.
Not yet. You're batting down?
Long time.
Alright. Anybody you like to big up?
Big up the world.
Alright, thank you for your time. Leroy. Mr. Leroy, what do you think about Tropical Storm Melissa?
Well, if it come, it just come, I can't do nothing about it. And nature, I gotta work.
So you prepare?
Me not prepare because nature see me and nature, part of nature. Me not afraid of it.
You're not afraid of it? Anybody you like to big up?
Big up myself and big up my friend Dokut.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Oh God.
Yeah, me G, what do you think about the storm?
Right. If it come, we can't stop it. We have to deal with what happen. Reality and reality. We have to deal with everything. All we have to do, just make sure that we have some light and some food and prepare ourselves to face reality. Anything come.
So you prepare?
But I really prepare no car boy, you hear me? Anything and I can't stop nothing. So anything come, you have to just deal with it.
You're not afraid?
I'm not afraid of nothing. Anytime anything happen, we can't stop it.
Just make sure you have food and water.
I just want food and water. Have like.
You're batting down?
Boy, I don't bat long nothing, you know, because I don't plan for bat long nothing. So if me even bat long and if it catch me and chop me in there, it will mash up the bat and see away. So I don't bat long nothing, I just left everything to God. I God be believing enough.
Alright, thank you for your time. Alright. Today we're there with
Mr. Brown?
Mr. Brown, what do you think about Tropical Storm Melissa?
Well, you know, I'm not really fret over like them things like storms. I'm not a fan for my gender, you know. I got all them things I got to work.
So you prepare?
No, never prepare for it. No, nothing. Because me always prepare all the boys for do what me have to do.
So you're not afraid?
No. Because everybody button up, me not button up. But what people button up and say this and that. But no God work, you can't stop for that. What will happen?
Alright, thank you for your time. Tropical Storm Melissa.
Well, I don't know what to say about it, you know. I mean, no say, them say it is coming, but it's very slow.
Are you prepared?
Yes, I prepare.
You're not worried?
No, no.
Have anybody you like to big up?
No, come who made it out and they don't, and it's not much longer home.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah.
This is DJ Adki.
Yes, this is Guy Williams. I would like everybody to prepare so long as we get the reports that storm are come, because a whole heap of people never prepare for Gilbert, and Gilbert left them stranded 1988, the 12th of September. So would I like everybody to prepare for this storm.
Yeah, man, I say we like everybody prepare. You see me? Melissa storm, you see me? Because enough time, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, Melissa storm, the report what we get from the Met Office says sometime it might have developed to category 4 to 5. So we would like to prepare. Yeah, well.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, all right, sir.
Today we're there with
Javian Flowers.
Mr. Flowers, what do you think about the storm, Tropical Storm Melissa?
Why? You have to give thanks, you know. You understand? Although we get local rain and local sunshine, boy, if you come, we can't do nothing.
You prepare?
Why? We just do local movements and something about. I feel line up myself. That's if you come,
yeah,
we can't be safe. If you no come, we still have to give thanks. You understand?
Views of the people. Don't be evil. Alright? Today we there with
Andrew.
Mr. Andrew. What do you think about the tropical storm, Melissa? You prepare or what?
Well, yeah, in a sense, yes, me have the things necessary for button up, but me not really start as yet, but me just wait for further details to do the process.
So you feel like it'll come?
Well, not sure, Not really sure, but just listening still.
You're not afraid of nothing?
Not really, because we see it on a regular basis, so necessary preparation. Only two we not put it in our work as yet, but yeah.
Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah, man, when I like to big up my mother, Ina Plunkett, and also my wife, Janet Plunkett, and family, and friends.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah, man.
Today there's a storm I come, you don't know where they are. At the ocean front, at the sea front. I look what I go on, you see me? Yeah, man, there's a tropical storm, Melissa. We're not afraid of Melissa, we out here wait for Melissa. Melissa, see we are. We there wait for you, Melissa. Sun still a shine. We there out early. Yes, people, make sure you check in views of the people. Views of the people. Don't be evil. Alright?